Chérie m'dame, oui. On allait. Ça qui passe dodo. Ah, right. Moi, oui, man.
I've been searching for a girl like you and the way you whine you.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how I got my faux locks to look like this as opposed to looking just a little bit smoother and instead of braiding my hair and crocheting them in, what I did was I made parts just like how you would part your hair for box braids. I twisted my hair from the root, come all the way down, and then I took one of these soft dreads out of the pack. I bought this pack of hair from Z's Beauty, and Z's Beauty again is in the Bronx on White Plains Road near Reed Avenue, and this pack is $4.50. So I'm just going to get into showing you how I did this. It was simple for me, a lot less work than adding on the Kanekalon hair, like how I've seen a lot of YouTubers do it and a lot of salons do it. This was easy for me. It might be easy for you. Let me just get into it. So you open the pack, comes in the case, a little clip at the bottom, pop it open. This off. And this is what it looks like. So I use four packs of these to do my entire head. And just gonna take off the tab and undo that here. Just pull it right off. So this is what one soft lock looks like. Notice how it's not like the ones that a lot of these faux locks, sometimes you get the single one and you just crochet it in and use the crochet hook and pull your hair through it. This is so that you have two locks when you braid your hair and crochet it in, and they'll look like little drop curls, and it's cute. However, I didn't want this look. I wanted big chunky locks. So what I did was I took the soft lock. Remember, I took my own hair and I twisted my hair, two-strand twist my hair, and then I took the soft lock, and just like how you would, the same method I use with my box braids, I used that same method. I started braiding the soft lock onto my hair, and as I maybe went down about, I braided the hair on, and then I would take this and wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap all the way. And I'm going to demonstrate for you how to do that wrap. You can either choose to, with your own hair, instead of two-strand twisting it, you can choose to start it out as a box braid and then crochet the hair through at the root and then wrap it around if that's easier for you. I didn't want to do that. That isn't so chunky. So in order to get these chunky, what I did was I would go in with more than one soft lock, and you just bring in the lock. You can stretch it out like so and wrap it around and continue to wrap it around in, and you'll see as the hair starts to form, you'll see whatever thickness that you want it at. And when you're first starting out, what you want to do is make sure that as much as you can in one, wrapping the hair around, maybe this the top portion of your hair. This one whole soft lock should only cover up about half of the hair shaft, about this much way. And you can choose to push it up or bring it down, depending on how thick you want that lock. So now we still have this one up here. And what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing. Again, Remember how tight you want the lock to be, and also thinking about the width of the lock. And accessorize them however you like. Add a piece there, add a piece here. I don't mind the frizzy flyaways. I really don't mind for it. I don't like uniformed styles. If there's a frizz, I'm liking the frizziness, because then to me it just looks more freeformed. I like there to be a little bit of chaos. Thank you for watching. Please give this a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know if you don't like this. Let me know if you want me to show you how to make these more secure with hair glue. You can make these more secure with hair glue. Not my preference though. I wouldn't want to put glue anywhere near my hair. So if you don't want to go near that stuff, don't do it to yourself. Don't put no glue in your hair. Just wrap it around and be gentle. You can secure the hair with some gel, possibly. They're not that fragile. I can shake my head and they won't fly out, like so. They're not flying out. They're secure at the root. Only thing you want to do is just make sure that you get the ends properly. And if you see something, you know, unraveling, just wrap it back up.
Bust a move, left, right, baby, wine, left, right, all your time, left, right, baby, girl, I'm